ఉర్వశి గారు ఈ 'కిస్సిక్' సాంగ్ 'శ్రీలీల' స్టెప్స్ చాలా హైలైట్ అయ్యాయి. స్క్రీన్ మీద డాన్స్ చూసి అందరూ వావ్ అన్నారు. అందరూ స్టెప్స్ ఏసారు. సాంగ్ కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు 'కిస్సిక్ కిస్సిక్' అంటా కూడా ఎవ్రీవన్ బడి 'కిస్సిక్' సాంగ్ ప్రెజెంట్. బట్ యువర్ వీడియో రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత యూట్యూబ్‌లో 'శ్రీలీల' కంటే బెటర్‌గా 'ఊర్వశి అప్సర' వేసిందని చెప్పేసి కామెంట్స్ పెడుతున్నారు. మీ ఫీల్ ఏంటి?
The yes, there are a lot of comments that Urvashi is better than Shrileela. So I would like to say that I, as an artist, feel that I am lucky that I am being compared to such a big artist like Shrileela, because it is not easy to match her. And I consider that okay, now I am in that level that I can match. So Shrileela ma'am is extremely talented, and she is a very good human being as well. She's very down to earth and very friendly again. I don't know, all the South Indian actors are very sweet and kind hearted. So when I was working with Sri Lila, it is one experience I would like to share is that really touched my heart, is when I went to her vanity van to teach her the steps.
Okay.
I did not have my lunch, and she was very kind enough to ask me that, did you have your lunch? And I said, no ma'am, I'll have it now. So she said, no, you eat and have. I said, no ma'am, I'll have it later. You said. So she like literally shouted on me that, she sit and you're gonna have lunch right now and then you'll go.
Wow.
And I was like convincing ma'am, no please, I will go, because I was feeling very awkward as it's Sri Lila ma'am, so I cannot like stay in her vanity. But she is so sweet that she made me sit in her vanity, and she gave me food from her own tiffin, like the food she got it from her home. So thank you, Sri Lila ma'am, you're very sweet. And I would like to request all the audience to not to compare me with Sri Lila ma'am, because she is a great artist. I appreciate that you guys are giving me so much love and support. But again, I would say that I consider myself lucky that I am being compared to Sri Lila ma'am.
ఓకే.
Yes.
నెక్స్ట్ గణేష్ ఆచార్య గారి దగ్గర మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మీకు ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఆయనతో వర్క్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Working with Master G it's a beautiful experience indeed. I met him 5 years back when he was making a movie called Dehate Disco. It was a movie between two dance groups. One is Western and one is from the village, and they just battle amongst each other. So one of my friends just called me and said that Ganesh Acharya sir is looking for good hip hop dancers. So are you interested? And I was like very excited that yeah, of course I want to work with him, because I remember I have watched him in the TV ABCD movie. If you have seen Ganesh Acharya sir in ABCD movie, unko TV pe dekha tha, and always had that wish that I want to work with him. So I got this opportunity through this movie. I joined him, and then after that I've been working with him. And he is very sweet and very chill kind of choreographer, very friendly, always enjoying and joking around with all the dancers and all. And one thing I would like to say that even Ganesh Acharya sir met my parents, and he told my parents that Urvashi is a very talented girl, and Urvashi is gonna go like very up in life. She's gonna do big things in life. So I hope that Master Ji, whatever you said, it's gonna come true, and I will make you also proud one day.
ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చే ముందు మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎలా ఉండేవారు? అంటే ఎవరన్నా మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? లేదా ఎవరు ఓన్‌గా ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చారా? అండ్ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉండేది ఇంట్లో? మీ మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఎవరైనా సపోర్ట్ ఉన్నారా? కొరియోగ్రఫీ ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇండస్ట్రీలో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా? వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
When I started dancing, it was little difficult for my parents to accept this thing as working in the industry, because as parents they feel that what future you're gonna have in the industry, what are you gonna learn, like it is risky and you have to struggle a lot. It's better that you study and you get good degree and focus more on the studies and academics. But like eventually they saw that I'm working hard, and I've I've got a lot of awards. I've won Miss Mumbai 2016. I was Miss Mumbai
Wow.
title also.
Very nice.
And all the other projects which I've done, like working with Ganesh Acharya and more other big artists, so they have always been proud. And then they started supporting. They understood that okay, she's doing well, and if we'll support, then she'll do wonders in life. So yeah, and there is nobody from my family in the industry, like not even
Okay.
my 3 generations, and nobody has ever even seen that what shooting is like. They just get shocked or excited that okay, this is how shooting happens. So in my family, even today, for them shooting is a very big thing. Like they just get excited and they just tell me that हमें भी shooting पे लेके जा, हमें भी shooting देखना है. So it's a very new thing for them. So I think I am the first one from my family and my whole cast. The whole cast that I am the only one who is working in the industry.
Okay. And are you yoga trainer?
Yes.
Wow.
So I went to Rishikesh last year, and
Okay.
I have done a teacher training yoga course for 2 months.
సో ఈ రెండింటిని బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు, యోగా ట్రైనర్ అండ్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ?
It is connected because
Okay.
both are physically, both the things are done physically. Dance is physical, yoga is physical, and I think being a dancer, yoga really helped me because it gives a good flexibility, mindfulness, blissfulness, and spirituality. And I believe a lot in God. So yoga has very much helped me to maintain myself, my diet, and again mindfulness and everything. So everyone should do yoga.
వెరీ నైస్.
Yes.
ప్రజెంట్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ మూవీస్లోకి హీరోయిన్గా ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్తో రాబోతున్నారు? అంటే కొరియోగ్రఫీ వదిలేసి హీరోయిన్గా ఎంట్రీ ఇస్తారా, ఆరు రెండు మేనేజ్ చేస్తారా?
Dance has always been my passion, and
Okay.
I worked as a choreographer for my passion. And I believe that whatever opportunities you get in life, you should take it like I did, because you never know कि कब कौन सी opportunity आपको कहाँ ले जाए. So like for example Pushpa, I did it because I am passionate about dancing, and that's how I met Allu Arjun sir and Ganesh Acharya and more Rashmika and Srilila, Samantha, these kind of big artists through dancing. So I will never forget dancing. I'll always continue dancing.
Okay.
But my focus now is completely on acting, as I have been practicing acting also from last few years, and I have done 3 Gujarati movies, from which 2 has already released. I've done 2 Hindi movies also, and one is releasing next month, that is Pintu Ki Puppy, which
Wow.
is directed and produced by Ganesh Acharya himself. So yeah, now I'm just looking forward for great and big opportunities in the Telugu industry, Tamil industry, and Malayalam industry as well. So hoping that the audience will accept me like they've accepted my dance and performance. So now they will accept me as an actor and support as well.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ యువర్ అప్కమింగ్ మూవీ రిలీజ్.
Thank you. Thank you.
ఊర్వశి గారు, ఇప్పుడైతే ప్రజెంట్ మిమ్మల్ని హీరోయిన్ గా చూడాలని తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ ఈగర్ గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు వస్తుందా ఊర్వశి స్క్రీన్ మీద చూద్దామా అని చెప్పేసి. సో తెలుగులో ఏమైనా మరి ఆఫర్ వచ్చిందా మీకు?
Definitely, it's my dream to work as an heroine in Telugu, Malayalam, or Tamil cinema, because I've been always following South Indian cinemas, and I've been fascinated by the direction, the choreography, the songs, the production, everything. So I'll be more than happy to work as a heroine and watch myself on the big screen in the South cinema. I'm very happy, and I'll just hope that I get good offers. And by the way, I got a lot of offers after the video went viral, and
Okay.
which is why I am in Hyderabad right now. And I'm shooting for something exciting, which I cannot reveal right now, but it will be releasing soon, so you'll get to know.
ఓకే, వెరీ నైస్. అండ్ తెలుగులో చేస్తే ఏ హీరోతో చేయాలని అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఏ హీరోతో చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
It is definitely Allu Arjun sir.
వావ్.
I want my first Telugu movie to be shot with Allu Arjun sir, and second is Ram Charan sir.
ఓకే.
Yes.
యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ బోత్
Yeah,
హీరోస్?
I'll have a lot of all the heroes are favorite. If you say that Allu Arjun sir, Ram Charan sir, Mahesh Babu sir, NTR sir, I want to work with everyone.
ఓకే, బట్
Yes.
ఫస్ట్ యు వర్క్ విత్
Allu
అల్లు
Arjun
అర్జున్
sir.
అండ్ రామ్ చరణ్ గారు.
Yes, Allu Arjun sir, anytime. I want to work with Allu Arjun sir as an actor now. Yes.
సో నిజంగా అలా చేస్తే ఇంకా అల్లు అర్జున్ ఫ్యాన్స్ కి ఇంకా పోనకాలు వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. సో పుష్ప 3 రిపీట్ అవ్వచ్చు.
I don't know. Let's hope for the best, and just want to thank each and everyone who is watching this interview right now. That I want to thank each and everyone personally. Thank you to the channel. Thank you each and everyone for so much love and support. Your support means a lot to me. Just keep supporting, and I'll be creating a lot of surprises for you guys.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.